Hey, today we're going to make some easy card box dividers.
Hey, it's Danielle over at 𝐸𝐤𝐤𝐞, and today I am making some easy dividers for my card box. So I made this card box separately. You'll see a video on that. And the card box is going to be to have dividers for each month and also for like certain types of cards that I might need extra. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So I've got a file that I have pulled up, and you'll be able to see it. This is actually going to be on a regular mat, this part. Well, let me see here. But this first section that I'm doing right now is a pen and a basic cut without the mat on a smart paper cardstock. I need to load a pen in and the fine point blade. So you can see I use my smart sticker cardstock quite a bit. I love this stuff, but I use this to put labels on stuff. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my pen in, and then I'm going to click go. This is going to cut out all of the stickers that will go on the tabs for my dividers so that I can separate my cards out. Okay, so these are all cut. Now, as you can see, they're all little stickers I can peel off and just put on the tabs. Super easy. So I really needed to do multiple ways on this because I forgot to do multiple ways on this one. So I had to switch this back. This is going to be on a mat. I'm actually going to put this on a 12 by 24 inch mat so I can fit 4 at a time. And you can see I'm going to need, I think, not as many sheets as I thought it was. Interesting. Did I mess up? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's because I have 4. Okay, never mind. That makes sense. Okay, so we're going to click continue. I am going to go and load this into the maker. What I did is I have my 24-inch mat. I'm using a green mat because my green mats aren't super sticky anymore, so they're good for paper. Make sure you use a paper mat if you are using fresh mats. I'm using medium cardstock. Fine point blade is already in there, so I can go and load this up. Okay, so as you can see, I've got my extra sections. I'm actually going to have to cut that with scissors because I think something didn't quite cut right. And there is my tag here.
Okay, so last but not least, we are just peeling off our stickers and adding them to the tags. You'll want to like sort through your cards first to make sure they're in order like you want before you put your tags on. And here's my box. Make sure to check out my post on doing the box as well. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out my blog, 𝐸𝐤𝐤𝐞.com, and have a great day. Take care.